today's video, we will discuss a GATE CSE 2025 previous year question. So let us see. Our C program is given to us, and the question was asked the output of the given program. So this was an integer based question, and it was asked the output of the given program. So what we can see here, this is a C program given, and in which we can see these are the libraries, and now we can see here is a function g is starting here, ending here. Then one more integer function is here, which is starting here, ending here. And then when we say our main function is there, which is starting here and ending here. Okay, so now we have to find the output. So we know that we start our program with the main function. So this is our main function, will come here, then we'll follow all the steps which are in it. Okay, so first we can see here a simple sum and n where integer variable are declared. Okay, sum and n, 1 2 integer variable are declared. Then in the next step, sum is given initialized with the value 0. Okay, now third step, for loop is there for n equals to 1. Now n is initialized with the value 1. So for n equals to 1, then 1 is less than 3, condition is true. Then we will move to this statement. Okay, the statement is sum plus equals to g of f of n. So we can, what does this mean? We can write this as sum equals to, sum plus means sum equals to sum plus g of f of n. Okay, so we can write this like this. Now see, so sum value is your 0, 0 plus g of f of n. So this is g of f of 1. Okay, so to solve this, we have to calculate the value of this sum, we have to calculate this, and to calculate this, these two functions we have to call. So first of all, we'll call this f of 1. Okay, so this f of 1 will go to the f function, it is here, and the parameter 1 is passed here for the n value. So now n1 is passed here. Now this is f of 1. Then what it is returning? Return g of n cross 2. So n is your 1, g of 2. So now from here g will be called. So here we will go to the g, and this parameter 2 is passed here. Now n equals to 2 here. Now this g of 2, so this function is return n plus 10. N value is your 2, 2 plus 10 is your 12. So this will come return 12, and where it will go, it was called from here. So this will return value 12, and this is this was here, so return 12. So this f function will return, this value gives 12, so return 12, and from where it was called here. So this f of 1 is giving the value 12. Now we have, now this is completed, but again what is our there? G of 12. Now we have g of 12. So again with the parameter value 12, we'll go to the g function. Now this n value is your 12. Okay, this is your 12, then it is returning, what is this? N is your 12, 12 plus 10. So 12 plus 10 is your 22. So this g is returning 22. Now this will return, g of 12 is returning 22. So this complete value is your 22. Okay, now the sum value will be 0 plus 22 equals to your 22. Now what will happen? This sum 0 value is replaced with your 22. Okay, now again we will go to the for loop. Okay, we will go to the for loop. Now n plus plus, now n is incremented. So now n equals to, n was 1, so n equals to 2. Now n equals to 2. Now again the condition 2 is less than 3, condition is true. Then again we will go to this statement. Okay, so this statement is inside loop, and these are outside of the for loop. Okay, because only one statement is there, so curly braces are not there. So it is understood, we can put here curly braces, or whenever one statement is there, so it is obvious without curly braces. Okay, so now n equals to 2 here. Now again we'll go to this again. Okay, now again this will be called, now I am writing here, again this will be called sum equals to sum plus your g of f of n. Right, now see, now sum value, so sum value is now your 22. So you will write here 22 plus g of f of n, and n is your 2 now. Okay, now this again we have to repeat the same, f of 2. So we'll go here with, where is your f? This is your f. Okay, so we'll go here again with n equals to, this is your f of 2, n value parameter is passed 2 this time. So this is your 2. Now 2 into 2 equals to your 4. So this is your, so this is your now g of 4. Okay, this is your g of 4. And now this g of 4 you will go here Now n parameter is your 4. Okay, this is your 4 now here, and now this return, this is your 4, so this will be your 4 plus 10, that is your 14. Okay, so this g of 4 is returning your 14 here now. Okay, so this is returning this g of 4, we go here, and this is your 14. So now this f function will return 14. Now where we'll go, from where we have come, so this value is your 14 now. Now what will happen, again this 14 will pass in g of 14. Okay, now we'll go to g of 14, and n value is your 14 now. Fine, now n value is your 14 here, and this will give you 14 plus 10. 14 plus 10 is your 24. So this will return 24, and you will go here, and this value is your 24. Now again sum will be 22 plus 24 equals to your sum value is your 46. Okay, now sum value will be replaced with your 46 value. Fine. Now again n equals to n plus 1, so n was 2, so it will be 3 now. Now again you will check the condition, 3 is less than 3. Now the condition is false, so we'll move out of the for loop. Okay, then it is printf percentage d sum. Now we have to print the value of sum. So final value for sum is 46, so 46 will be printed, return 0, the function is completed. So output of the given program will be a 46. So in this way you will calculate this recursive.